How to deactivate PS4 accounts on all systems. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can deactivate your PS4 accounts on all the systems, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your PSN account is logged into several PS4 consoles and now you want to decide that you want to log them out because maybe your friend is still using a PSN account, in this case you have to log into your account from your browser first. So go to playstation.com and make sure to log into your account. Then after you do that, simply tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side, then go to the option called account settings. Then once you go to account settings, this kind of interface is going to show up over here. So simply wait until this has loaded. Then right here under other settings, you will find an option that says device management. So just tap on device management, and here you can simply tap on your PlayStation console section. So when you go to the PlayStation console section, you first have to verify with your password, and once you verify with your password, then you'll be able to deactivate all the accounts that are currently logged into your account. This way you will be able to deactivate your PS4 account on all systems. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.